Anthony, Weber, AJ. AJ was my brother. He was only 16 years old when the sheriff murdered him. He was only 16 years old. He didn't deserve this. My brother, AJ, Anthony Weber, was murdered by the sheriff.
Don't avoid the camera.
We need peace. We need love. We need healing in our community. We need healing in our community. We need prayer for Los Angeles, California. Y'all come out here to party. You come out here to party. You do not know our daily struggle, the harassment that we go to. We need peace. We need justice for my brother, Anthony Weber.
Y además porque queremos que se haga justicia, que esto tiene que parar, que los policías no pueden estar solo matando a nuestra gente y que se quede sin castigo. Ellos deben de tener un castigo como cualquier otro, porque no escuchen que matan a personas y ellos después sí, ok, solo paran de trabajar, pero es como si nada, porque ellos siguen recibiendo su sueldo y no es justo. Ellos deberían de pagar como cualquier otra persona por los crímenes que no sean justificados. Ellos tienen que pagar.
¿Por qué piensa que la policía está actuando de esta manera contra la comunidad latina y afroamericana?
Yo pienso que porque muchas veces ellos no tienen un castigo. Y es otra cosa, que ellos dicen, siempre dicen, es porque ellos estaban vendiendo drogas, por eso los mataron, inventan cosas, por eso lo hicieron. Pero también, algunas veces, ¿qué creen ustedes que lleva a la gente a vender eso? Que porque las personas muchachos tienen que mantener a su familia y si no hay un trabajo hay, pues de alguna manera tienen que tener, pero ellos para matar a nuestra gente, a nosotros la minoría, porque muchas veces no levantamos la voz y nos unimos para que se nos haga justicia, que se justifique, que paren de estar matando a nuestra gente.
There, folks, channel 34 right here, trying to cover the story, so I got a little bit of it, so you guys won't be fooled by the corporate media, how they go ahead and dictate words. I got a little bit of it to tell you the truth. By the people, we the people, that are no longer going to go ahead and stand for corruption whatsoever.
We love our children the way you love your children. And if you want to defend the gang members in blue and khaki, you're out of a job. We need to unite. If you're a gang member and you're pushing the line for the wrong reasons, I have no respect for you. If you're a gang member and you're willing to put your gun down against your brothers and sisters and stand up for our babies, I will ride with you. I need everybody to ride for Anthony Weber.
Remember, folks, my videos are never edited, so you're getting the truth.
Sunday, he did not deserve to die. This ain't over. This is only the beginning. We demand that you do your job and prosecute the gang members in blue and the gang members in khaki. The same way you go after the gang members in red and blue. And wherever you are now, know that this is you don't get involved there. It will catch you. You will feel it. You will feel the pain of the WEBER family if you do not get involved today. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. No crooked. No peace. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. No crooked. Police. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. No crooked. Police.
There you go, folks. Mr. Scientifical bringing you Anthony Weber's live Pico and Figueroa at the Staples Centers. And what I mean by live is I was here in person, of course, recording this myself, as you all aware of, and so far no violations from the Los Angeles Police Department yet.
They don't care about us. The police can only be good starting at the top. And if the top is instructing them to be gang members as well, they only add to the problem. We need community involvement where the police say, we're gonna call the homies and the leaders in that community before we ride over there and hunt. They hunted this young man. They knew who he was. He was a person of interest. And instead of apprehending him the way that white boy was in Florida, for killing 17 people, this young boy was murdered. Why? Because they are trained to kill us. They are trained. If this person is not in 100% compliance, feel free to take their life. And that's what happened to this young man.
All right, thank you, brother. There you go. You heard it from the man himself, a family member of Anthony Weber, what happened. So this protest is almost over. No justice, no peace, no police. Anthony Weber is not forgotten, folks.